tell it was the alternator though is because the AC act like it wanted to cut off. It'll cut off, cut back on, cut off, cut back on whenever the battery light and the brake light will flicker. I know I sound a little sleepy as well. I just got off work trying to make it home, but again, it's raining, so slow motion. I'm really not upset about the alternator going out. It happens. This car has 257,000 miles on it, so it was bound to happen sooner or later, and that is okay. I've already accepted it. I gotta replace the alternator. I'll probably do it in like 2 more days, so hopefully the car doesn't die on me in between then, but still, it is okay. I ordered an alternator from JP Alternators. I believe it is a $399 high output alternator. I paid almost $400 for it about a year ago. Just never installed it. I also need a power steering pump, but that's besides the point. I know y'all just see me struggle like 2 seconds ago. It's all good though. That's in the works too. But back to the alternator. I ordered this high output alternator because I run subs in my car. Subs and out. I got 2 Scar Audio EVL 12s and a 2,000 watt audio pipe, and it is very overpowering for this car. Like, certain songs I can't play because it'll put the amp into protect mode and the car starts driving funny. It'll start shifting hard or whatever. And sometimes I can only get about an hour of playtime, and then it goes into protect mode, and then again the car starts driving funny. I've also experienced that a light a couple of times before the brake light and battery light start coming on, where the car would act like voltage drop, like it'll be like a little thump or whatever, and like a loss of power. So I already knew the alternator was going out, and I guess that's why I'm prepared right now. Little intermission. About to go to sleep. I just got home from work. This is the light I was talking about. Oh boy. I'm at my boy's house. I done already started working. This is the new $400 alternator right here. Don't mind it messing my car. That's one battery. Second battery over there. I'm redoing all the interior anyway, so don't pay this no mind. Alternator is right there. That's the old one. Got one bolt out already. Trying to take the other bolt out. This is the tensioner right here. It's 114. You move that, the belt comes off. It's only 2 bolts, 114 and 112. My homie. Let me look at this.
That's different, bro.
Let me look at the plug.
It's a complete different case.
It's not different. It should fit. Hold on.
Hold on. I'm looking at.
So, new alternators in. I was having a problem with that bolt right there, right beside the tensioner, but I got it in. Now I'm just trying to tighten this bolt. All right, so New alternator in. It's secure. No play. Get y'all a better angle. That bronze thing though. See, look, no play. Day 2. Alternators in. Belt doesn't fit. So I'm finna go try to get the right belt. Finna go try to get the right belt right now. Alright, so I bought 2 belts from Advance. I just tried this one. Comes a little bit short. So I'm gonna try this one and see what happens. This belt is a 6K 740. This one should be the exact fit. So the other 2 belts that I had did not fit. So I went back and got a bigger size. One of these gotta fit. We don't give up too easily, so yeah, gotta try it right now. Again, I had to go get another belt. But I went back to the 40 because maybe I did something wrong, so we're gonna see now. Again with another belt. Something gotta work. Today's a great day because it fits. It fits. It freaking fits. Yes. Yes. Oh, okay. I gotta adjust the tension again because the belt looks crooked right there. And push it further back. But it fits. Alright, so it's adjusted. It fits better. Perfectly. Yeah, it fits perfect. Alright, so it's day 3. I got the belt on yesterday. And I just gotta put some stuff back together. And then we're gonna start it up and see what happens. We were supposed to be running the big 3, but we didn't run the big 3. We only ran the power wire. We're gonna run the ground wires later. But for right now, this is how we gonna be. So we only run the power wire. We didn't run the ground wires. I gotta put the power steering back on this bracket. Then after that, I can start the car. Looks like we good. No brake light. No battery light. I'm beyond hot. It's hot as heck out here. I'm beyond hot. Alright, so this isn't one of my best videos, but it works. Be good. Just a little test draw to make sure that the battery light, the brake light don't come back on. So that's gonna wrap up everything about the high output alternator. Everything works fine. No brake light, no battery light. Repeating that same thing because that's the issue that I was dealing with. I'm very happy and very satisfied. The thing that's left to do now is wash the car. But I'll do that another day since I gotta head to work now. Appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Until then, my friends.